Hello, wonderful viewers. I'm absolutely delighted to have you join us today. I'm Emma, and we're about to dive deeper into the realm of beauty, revealing the secrets to effortless chic that will leave you feeling confident and radiant. In the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced lives, dedicating hours to hairstyling can feel like a luxury we can't afford. But fret not, because today's exploration is all about stylish shortcuts and time-saving tips. 1. Let's start our adventure with a timeless classic, the messy bun. More than just a hairstyle, it's a statement. In a mere 5 minutes, you can transform your entire look from casual to chic. Join me on screen as we gracefully gather those strands, twirl them into a bun, and secure them with those trusty bobby pins. Now, revel in the freedom of expression with the messy bun, the celebration of effortlessly beautiful chaos that transcends the ordinary. Each twirl is a brushstroke on the canvas of your personal style, telling a story of confidence and individuality. 2. Now, let's talk about the artistry of braids, a timeless fusion of beauty and versatility. Perfect for any occasion, braids are the canvas for your creative expression. During my college days, experimenting with various braiding techniques was my go-to. Follow along on screen, and let's create your signature braid styles together. Embark on a journey of self-discovery through braids, each strand intertwined in a poetic dance of expression. The silent poets of your personal fashion story, braids become the verses that narrate the diverse facets of your personality. 3. Shifting gears, we arrive at the sleek and polished low ponytail, a style that effortlessly balances professionalism with a touch of glamour. Whether you're conquering the corporate world or enjoying a laid-back day out, this look adapts seamlessly. Witness the magic as we gather the hair at the nape of the neck, tie it with a hairband, and craft an effortlessly polished appearance. Delve into the details of the sleek and polished low ponytail, where every strand is meticulously placed, creating a harmonious fusion of simplicity and sophistication. The small details, like the chosen hairband, become the finishing touches that elevate this style to a statement of chic elegance. 4. Embrace the vintage charm with Victory Rolls, a nod to the glamour of yesteryears. Transport yourself to an era of sophistication and timeless beauty. I'll guide you through the steps on your screen, helping you effortlessly roll into a look that's both classic and contemporary. Step back in time with Victory Rolls, not just a hairstyle, but a homage to the strong, stylish women of the past. Each roll is a nod to resilience and strength, a reminder that beauty endures through time. 5. Explore the perfect equilibrium between casual and elegant with half-up, half-down hairstyles. Whether it's a casual outing or a special event, this style effortlessly bridges the gap. As demonstrated on screen, it's a versatile choice that blends practicality with a touch of sophistication. Discover the art of balance with half-up, half-down hairstyles, where each strand is a carefully chosen element contributing to the harmony. This style becomes a signature expression of the modern woman, effortlessly navigating various facets of life with grace. 6. And now, the ever-popular top knot, a true chameleon of styles. From gym sessions to brunch dates, this versatile look has your back. Witness the creation of a stylish bun on the crown of the head, secured with a hair tie. It's a look that can be as laid back, or as polished as you desire. Transform your top knot into a personalized masterpiece, a blank canvas awaiting your unique touch. Whether tousled or polished, each knot becomes a reflection of your dynamic lifestyle and individual preferences. 7. For those days when you want to embrace your natural waves, consider the effortless waves. It's a celebration of your innate beauty, allowing your hair to dance freely. Observe on screen as we effortlessly achieve this breezy, carefree look that radiates charm. Celebrate the carefree spirit with effortless waves, a whimsical dance between strands and air. Each undulation becomes a testament to your self-assured spirit, an invitation for your hair to join in the playful rhythm. 8. And now, the sleek and straight look, the testament to the beauty of simplicity. Sometimes, all it takes is a straightener and a few minutes to create a look that's both sophisticated and head-turning. Follow closely on screen as we demonstrate the art of achieving that sleek and straight perfection. Appreciate the power of simplicity with the sleek and straight look, where each pass of the straightener becomes a stroke of artistry. It's a refined aesthetic that speaks volumes without unnecessary embellishments. 9. But wait, there's more. Our 9th suggestion is a special one, an artistic fusion of various elements. A medley of braids, waves, and twists, creating a look that's uniquely yours. Get inspired as we showcase this fusion on your screen, unlocking a realm of limitless possibilities. Embark on a journey of artistic expression with the 9th suggestion, where braids, waves, and twists converge to tell a story. It's not just a style, it's a symphony of creativity, allowing you to redefine beauty on your terms. 10. So, there you have it, a fascinating journey through 9 different hairstyles, each crafted to make you feel absolutely beautiful and rejuvenated. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. Which hairstyle are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Join the community of beauty enthusiasts below. Let's create a space where beauty is celebrated in all its forms. Your unique expression matters, and I can't wait to see the beauty you bring into the world. Until our next beauty adventure, stay beautiful, stay confident, and let your hair shine. See you in the comments. Join the community of beauty enthusiasts below. Let's create a space where beauty is celebrated in all its forms. Your unique expression matters, and I can't wait to see the beauty you bring into the world. Until our next beauty adventure, stay beautiful, stay confident, and let your hair shine. See you in the comments. If you found this video enlightening and enjoyable, don't forget to show your love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with your friends, so they too can embark on this journey of discovering the magic of these fantastic hairstyles. Until our next rendezvous, stay beautiful, stay confident, and let your hair be your radiant crown. See you in the next video.